Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifepaholic. It's me Adele, and today I'm going to do unboxing of this huge parcel from my friend Myra Murison here on YouTube. Myra, thank you so much for your Christmas gift, and I'm gonna do unboxing of it today, and hope you guys will like this video. And I haven't really seen, or I don't know what Myra sent me because it's a Christmas gift. So let's see what I got now. This camera, please don't fail me. You're focusing on my hand.
And it's like in the middle of the interlude. See, that's the nude. This is like favorite because it gives me two new babies.
Okay, let's see what I got. Me and Myra had an exchange gift this Christmas, and I only asked like what's her size and somehow give me ideas of what she likes, but we don't really know what we're sending except I think one item. I think we did discuss sending pajamas. So let's see what I got from her. Myra, thank you so much for the gift. I think my one, I didn't really wrap every gift. I only wrapped the big box. But if you watch her channel, I'll link it down below anyway, and you can see what I got for her. I hope she liked it, and let's see this one. So, wow. She's good at wrapping than I am. I was rushing on my one. That's it, that's what she got me. And there's a Christmas card to Adele, please. I didn't even remember if I get her a Christmas card. I was rushing, I don't know, I can't remember. Please read the card first. Okay. Let's put the box away. Oh, that is so cute. I love robins. I think it's like a red robin because like it's so cute with cherry. Dear Adele, Merry Christmas. Is it okay to read Myra? Well, you said read it first, so let's see. Thank you so much. I don't know if I'm allowed to read it, but that's her handwriting and it's really pretty. Thank you, Myra. Yeah, I know. By the way, guys, I lost my parcel, and this is the second time she sent it. I feel really sorry, but I'm glad the second one I got it. Wow. Wow, she really did a lot of effort. Now I'm kind of like felt like I feel bad that I just shoved my present inside a box and then that's it. Wow. That's a lot. Well, she got me this bag, which is really cute, and I'm going to always use it. And that is a lot. This video will be a lot for you and your family. Okay, sorry for the wrapping for this one. Haha. I think this will add a little color to your kitchen. I really love the color and texture. Let's see what this one is. That is so cute. Yeah, I like the texture also. And it goes with the color of my wall. Thank you, Myra. That is really a lot. Let's make this a tradition. Oh, I knew it. Because she sent me one last year. And this is the diary. Thank you, Myra. I have my one, like, I think there. Thank you. Oh, what's going on? My camera's doing something. Okay. Merry Christmas from Myra and Jim. I don't know if this is part of it's a drink. Moselle. Really, I am not good at reading this because it's kind of like different language and I don't drink. But thank you so much. There's always a first time. I don't drink red wine or white wine. I think the drink I only tried is cocktail, and my favorite cocktail is a chocolate one, which I think it's called the Toblerone cocktail or something. Okay, because you love traveling and I thought this is good for your bits and bobs, inside there's a wee treat for you and your daughter. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, we do try that one. Thank you, Myra. And I'm gonna use this gas traveling pouch. Oh, like a lot, really a lot. As soon as I saw this, I knew that was you. This one actually better than the first one. Sorry, I really feel bad. Someone took the parcel. It was left it was left outside my door, and someone took it. So thank you. Myra's really good at wrapping. My one is just like I was rushing because my work is like busy, and parcel also here, like post office are only like open. That is so cute. Santa's helper. Yeah, that is so cute. Thank you. And it's cozy. I'm gonna wear it all year. I'm always cold anyway. So I think that's it in the bag, but she gave me more. I felt bad because I'm really bad at shopping this year. I'm not organized, so I better step up my game. I hope you really like this one, Ganda. It is super soft and will definitely make you feel warm. Thank you. Oh yeah, I really like this one. True. Thank you, Myra. I feel so bad about my gifts. It's just, I don't know. Too busy at work, that's why I haven't really uploaded anything, and kind of feel like burnt out also, like too busy. Everything's dying, my plants are dying. I haven't really showed anything because heaters are on, and it's like I don't know. But I'll update you with some of the plants later. But for now, thank you, Myra, for all the gifts. I love it, and I'm so sorry that we lost the first one, and I'm glad I got the second one, but you gave me a lot. Sorry about that. I'll just spoil you next time. Thank you so much, Myra, and also the gifts for my family. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys will subscribe to Myra. Please help her reach 1,000. She's only needing more, less than 50 subscribers. So please support her. I'll link her channel down below and watch what I got for her. But now I'm really shy. I just hope that she likes the gifts, and thank you for supporting me, guys, and I hope I'll see you again next time on my video, and Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Bye guys, thank you, bye, thank you Myra, thank you for everything. I love everything, thank you so much. And yeah, let's make it a tradition. I was going to send you one, but I couldn't find the right one. Thank you, and see you later guys. Bye. Take a two. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifepaholic. It's me, Adele. I know I haven't been doing or